Welcome to week 3. This week is going to begin on Monday, August 31st, and it'll end on Sunday, September the 6th. As always, please make sure you click over into week 3 over here on the left so that it'll show you everything that you need to see over here on the right. This week, we're going to discuss the long term of our class. Down here is the project overview that I will be referencing in this lecture. Alright, so let's talk for a minute about how this course is set up. It's not like what you may be used to, where you read something and summarize it, or read something and write an analytical essay. It's also not one of those courses where you write a story, and then write a comparison contrast, and then write an argument, and then write a cause and effect. We're not doing that. What we're going to do is figure out how to put it all together and how to do things in a way that should work for you 99.9% of the time with any type of essay you ever have to complete the rest of your life in a formal academic setting. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to work up to writing a multimodal essay. What that means is all of those different types of essays that you may have written in the past, we're going to do them all in one essay, because it's rare that you're just writing one type of essay. So this one is going to include cause and effect, comparison contrast, process analysis, and argument, all in one essay. Once you complete that and get feedback on it, we're going to start talking about research. You're going to discuss how to break a source down into just a main idea, how to analyze the credibility and reliability of the sources, and how to make the best use of your sources in supporting your argument. That'll culminate in your first researched essay. These two essays comprise the learning phase of your course. As such, they're not worth as much as your latter essay will be. Together, they're worth 30% of the course. That'll be 15% each. Next, we're going to go into the mastery phase of the course. This is where you're going to repeat everything that you did in the earlier part of the course to develop a multimodal research essay. This essay alone will be worth 30% of your course grade. It is a huge grade, but you won't be doing anything new on this essay. It'll simply be showing that you learned from the first half. At the end of the course, you'll have your finals. These are worth 15% of your course grade. It'll include a PowerPoint, a video presentation, and the 3 post-tests. The remaining 25% of your course grade is from the participation and preparation assignments I have you do throughout the course that prepare you for your major grades and your finals. This week, we're going to go over types of academic dishonesty, and you'll complete the academic honesty acknowledgement quiz. Then you'll read your weekly readings, and you'll have 2 lectures on our proposal. Step 1 will cover the outline, and Step 2 will cover transition to opposition, concession, and refutation. You'll submit a partial project proposal. Remember, don't look online this week for ideas. All ideas should come from your own head. And then you'll end the week with your normal clearest, muddiest points discussion. As always, everything you need to complete the week will be listed down below. Please make sure you go ahead and download your week 3 instructions and either save that to your desktop or print it so you'll have access to it. Then, of course, you'll have your lecture for your academic honesty, the materials to use for that, and the quiz that you'll take. This is your reading for the week. There's only one. And then there are a lot of links down here for your proposal. Please notice that you have the lecture, the materials I used during the lecture, and then 2 samples. Then you have your next lecture and 2 more samples. Under that will be where you submit your partial proposal, and then finally your link for your clearest, muddiest points. Do remember, for your clearest, muddiest points discussions, make sure that you have 2 distinct paragraphs. The first paragraph should explain everything that you learned and understood for the week, and then the second paragraph should discuss any areas that you had trouble with. Then make sure to go in and reply to at least one other student. This reply should be helpful. Remember, just agreeing or commiserating with someone is not considered helpful. Make sure you offer some advice or help to the person you're replying to. Assignments for this week are due Sunday, September 6th before midnight. And while the first part of the week will go by pretty quickly, you're going to want to leave yourself at least 3 days to work on your proposal. I would have one day to do step 1, a different day to do step 2, and then a third day to rewatch both videos and make sure you understand what you need to have on your proposal. Step 1 may be a little different than what you're used to doing for outlines, and step 2 probably offers a lot of new information you may have never heard before. Make sure if you have any questions or concerns, email me through the class list, but do keep in mind, if you email me on a Friday afternoon, I'm not likely to see that email until Monday. That will not give me time to get back into contact with you and help you out before your assignment is due on Sunday. So as always, please make sure you begin your assignments early in the week so that you can contact me in plenty of time to help you if you run into any trouble. I'm happy to help.